For redundancy purposes, we usually keep 2 or more systems in the design. This makes sure that even if one server goes down, there is another one handling business requests. We as admins also need to make sure that the hardware maintenance or patching of these machines do not happen at the same time. Microsoft Azure Availability Set is just that. It means that virtual machines that are kept in the same availability set will not be subject to a single point of failure, and not all of them will be upgraded at the same time. Virtual machines placed in an availability set should perform an identical set of functionalities and have the same software installed. Azure ensures that the virtual machine you place within an availability set will run across multiple physical servers, compute racks, storage units, and network switches. If a hardware or Azure software fails, then only a subset of your virtual machines are impacted, and your overall application stays up and continues to be available to your customers. When you want to build reliable cloud solutions, availability sets is an essential capability. There are a few things that you need to note when you're creating an availability set. For redundancy, configure multiple virtual machines in an availability set. Configure each application tier into separate availability sets. Combine a load balancer with availability sets. And always use managed disks with virtual machines.